skates have finally arrived after 2.5 months to 3 months wait. It's a weekday. What am I saying? It's a workday night and I still have to work. I'm so tired, but I'm gonna film an unboxing video because I've been waiting for this moment forever. So let's get to it.
Yeah, get into it.
Today we have a very special guest that took forever to arrive. These skates are from Moonlight Roller, and like everyone else, I bought these skates after seeing the legend in TikTok.
I need affection. Doesn't matter what you say. 'Cause now that
It was a cultural reset. I used to skate way back then in my early teens, like when I was 13 or 14. I didn't really skate. I barely knew how to use these brakes, but I did skate a little bit. So now picking up a new hobby, well, a child hobby after turning 30, and that also a bit risky. May not be my smartest move. You know when people say after turning 30, your back starts hurting all of a sudden, your hangovers are pretty bad, and then your body like starts hurting in random places? It is so freaking true. Mentally, I feel like I'm in my early 20s, but body says otherwise. I feel like an old lady, but I'm so excited to try these on. I have been waiting for this for months. Sizing wise, I got these in size 7. In the website, it says to either size down like a whole shoe size or half a size. My regular shoe size is 8. Oh my god. These are so freaking pretty. I'm not really sure what exactly this is for. Oh, it's for the wheels. Duh. And the shoelace. Come on, go in. Trying to make sure that both the ends are like equal. First, I only saw this. I thought it was like a damaged piece or something, but the whole interior of the boot has the moon, and it makes sense because the brand is Moonlight Rollers. That's pretty cool. Over here too. Oh, even the brake as well. The wheels are so freaking smooth. Skates are like very sturdy and heavy too. Even the wheels have the logo as well. It has the Moonlight and then the moon logo. And also the wheels, it says that I think it's hybrid. It's called hybrid. You can use this for both indoor and outdoor, which is freaking damn great. Because a lot of people were saying that when you use the indoor wheels outdoor, it does not provide you that stability, because of which you do tend to fall a lot. And another plus point, the skates are vegan too. Padding is pretty thick. This just feels regular. When you buy normal shoes, like regular shoes, like how the padding is inside, that's how it is. And there's a thin layer inside as well. Earlier it was like all naked. Now it's finally complete. Regardless of where you order from, there is massive delay going on because the whole skating community has blown up during this pandemic, and also because of TikTok, and we are in the middle of a pandemic. So I ordered these on August 24 at 12:18 a.m. They were having their restock at midnight, and I didn't want to miss it because these things sell out so quickly. Plus my size, it's a very common size. So my first choice was the light gray one, which is called Mirror Ball. And the second choice was the black one, which is called Night Fever. Flash Dance is the one that I have, and this was actually, I think, my 5th choice. After that, I wanted Emerald City, which is like this green color. And then my 4th choice was Amethyst, I think it's called. It's like purple pink color. And my 5th was Flash Dance, which is this one. So for all of these, unfortunately, the same thing happened. By the time I was about to pay, they didn't have it anymore, which freaking damn sucks. But it's okay, I'm not complaining because these are freaking beautiful. I hope these don't get scratched easily because these things were so expensive. It was almost $300 with tax and shipping included. I should get a helmet. I'm watching a tutorial on how to put on these toe guards, because a lot of the times what I saw online was this part gets beaten up pretty quickly, because when you hit things, obviously you hit with the, you know what I'm saying? So right is loose. This toe cut is smaller for my skate. It's very snug. So I just found out the instruction was in the bag and I did not read it because I was like, oh, I'm just gonna YouTube how to put this on. I don't need to read the instruction. Okay, so in order to make sure that it form fits, I do need to bake it for 5 minutes. It's midnight now and I have to work tomorrow. So I'm gonna try this tomorrow again and...
Tomorrow.
Okay, second time trying to put these things. Before that I need to take this out and it's so freaking damn hard. Oh my god. Hold it for 3 minutes. I really hope it works. Kind of worked. Hi, Tepe. This terrain was the worst with so many gravels and it was really hard to skate. Ended up switching to a different location. Here the wheels were really smooth and after skating for almost 2 hours, I had no issues with my feet and ankle. It was really comfortable and the fit was just right. Finally, after that awkward first try on, I slowly started to feel more comfortable and confident being on the wheels. I was just vibing over here, listening to music, skating, and just being in my own world. It felt very nostalgic and truly amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and support the channel. It truly means a lot. If you have an Instagram, my Instagram is Style with Tisha. I hope to see you guys there. Thank you again and I will see you guys next week. Bye.